Hey, where are you going? Dada, I hear you. There she goes. Getting your ladybug? Cadence. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Uh-oh, we're getting her books out. Look at you crawling. Cadence. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Ooh, what you got? Ooh. Uh-oh. And there she goes. Crawling away.
Such a big girl. Okay.
Come here.
Where you going? You gonna go to Dada? Where you going? Here she goes.
There she goes.
She's going in the bedroom.
Cadence.
Where's Dada?
Cadence.
Oh, where is he?
Cadence. Cadence. Hi, baby.
Hi. Watch your head. Careful. Dada. She crossed with like one leg.
Hi, baby.
Yay! You come back over to mommy? Cadence. No, that's yucky. That's yucky. Come here, girl.